When did your skin stop bouncing back like it used to? Maybe it was a glance in the mirror, or the day your favorite moisturizer just didn't cut it anymore. For millions of women over 50, that moment is when aging starts to feel real. And you know what? It's not just in your head. Science confirms it. Collagen production can drop by up to 30% after menopause, and with it, your skin's firmness, your joint flexibility, even your memory and mood start to shift. But here's the empowering part. You're not just along for the ride. In this video, we're diving into 8 everyday foods that are scientifically proven to slow down the visible and invisible effects of aging and help you feel strong, sharp, and confident again. And wait until you hear about Sub 7. It's cheap in almost every kitchen and seriously underrated. If staying healthy, radiant, and resilient after 50 matters to you, hit that like button, share this with someone you care about, and subscribe. Let's take control of how we age together. Let's be clear, aging is more than just wrinkles or graying hair. After 50, your body goes through a biological shift that touches every part of you. Skin loses elasticity. Bones weaken. Muscle mass declines, a condition known as sarcopenia. Metabolism slows, and a silent kind of internal inflammation starts building up, something experts call inflammaging. One of the biggest reasons behind all this, the drop in estrogen and collagen after menopause. But here's the part that doesn't get enough attention. What you eat has the power to change the trajectory. Food isn't just fuel, it's information for your cells. The right foods can help balance your hormones, support collagen production, reduce inflammation at the cellular level, and even protect your brain and memory. It's not about chasing youth, it's about protecting your vitality, your independence, and your joy. So here's the truth. You are not powerless. In fact, what you eat can literally switch on your anti-aging genes. Stay with me, because up next is a fruit you've likely overlooked, but your skin will absolutely love it. Aging gracefully isn't just about what you put on your skin, it's what you feed your cells. In this next section, we'll explore 4 powerhouse foods that support everything from collagen regeneration to brain clarity. Simple, everyday ingredients backed by real science, and best of all, you'll find most of them right in your kitchen. Let's start with one of the most humble yet surprisingly powerful anti-aging fruits out there. 1. Apples, collagen protector, plus gut healer. Let's talk about apples. Yes, those apples, the ones sitting in your fruit bowl right now. It turns out they're doing more than keeping the doctor away. They may also be keeping the wrinkles at bay. Apples contain quercetin, a plant compound concentrated in the skin of the fruit. Quercetin is a natural anti-inflammatory that actually helps protect your skin from UV damage, which is one of the biggest culprits in premature aging. But that's not all. Apples are also rich in pectin, a soluble fiber with prebiotic effects that feed the good bacteria in your gut. Why does that matter? Because your gut health and skin health are deeply connected through what's called the gut-skin axis. A happy gut often shows up as radiant, resilient skin. To get the full benefits, eat apples raw and unpeeled. That's where the antioxidant power lives. Try slicing them up and pairing with a handful of walnuts or a scoop of Greek yogurt. This combo helps balance your blood sugar and improves nutrient absorption. So next time you're craving a snack skip, the chips, grab an apple. It's a bite-sized investment in smoother skin and better digestion. 2. Ginger, joint soother plus. Inflammation fighter. Next up is ginger, a fiery root with ancient wisdom and modern science to back it up. If you're dealing with stiff joints, chronic inflammation, or even hormonal bloat, this one deserves a spot in your daily routine. The magic inside ginger lies in a compound called 6-gingerol. This active ingredient works on a deep cellular level, targeting the NF-κB pathway, which is kind of like the control center for chronic inflammation. And inflammation, as we've learned, is the hidden driver of so many age-related conditions, from joint pain to skin, sagging to cardiovascular disease. But ginger doesn't stop there. It's also a powerful antioxidant, meaning it helps fight off free radicals that can damage your cells and speed up aging, especially in connective tissues like cartilage. That's why ginger is being studied for its benefits in osteoarthritis and metabolic health. So how do you get more of this golden root into your life easy? Add fresh grated ginger to stir fries, steep it in hot water for a healing tea, or sprinkle powdered ginger into soups and smoothies. Even just 1 to 2 grams per day can make a difference. Looking for a natural way to reduce joint pain and protect your skin? Ginger might be your new best friend. 3. Berries, brain booster, plus skin defender. Now let's move to one of the most colorful allies in your anti-aging journey: berries. Blueberries, raspberries, strawberries, cranberries, even goji berries are bursting with compounds that are scientifically linked to sharper thinking and smoother skin. The magic comes from flavonoids, especially a group called anthocyanins. These are what give berries their vibrant color and their brain-boosting power. Studies have shown that regular berry consumption can improve memory focus and even delay cognitive decline. One long-term study even found that older adults who ate berries regularly had slower brain aging by up to 2.5 years. But the benefits go beyond your mind. These same compounds protect collagen and elastin, the two proteins responsible for your skin's firmness and elasticity. Berries also help improve microcirculation, which means better blood flow to your skin and brain. Think of them as nature's skincare from within. For best results, eat berries fresh or frozen, no added sugar. Combine them with a healthy fat like chia seeds, flax, or full-fat yogurt to enhance nutrient absorption. Add a handful of berries to your breakfast or smoothie bowl, and you're feeding your brain, skin, and heart all at once. 4. Spinach, strength preserver, plus bone builder. Let's give a standing ovation to spinach, the green leaf that does way more than Popeye ever told us. This leafy green is a nutrient powerhouse, especially when it comes to supporting muscle strength, bone density, and cellular health as we age. Spinach is packed with natural nitrates that help your body produce nitric oxide, a molecule that boosts blood flow and oxygen delivery, particularly to the brain and muscles. That's critical for maintaining energy and coordination as you get older. It's also a top source of vitamin K1, which plays a central role in bone mineralization and calcium balance, key factors in avoiding fractures and osteoporosis. Let's not forget the lutein and beta-carotene in spinach, antioxidants that accumulate in your skin and eyes, offering protection from UV damage and oxidative stress. And with its fiber content, spinach also supports gut health, indirectly reducing inflammation that can show up in your skin. To unlock spinach's full potential, eat it lightly steamed or raw, paired with a healthy fat like avocado or olive oil. This helps your body absorb fat-soluble vitamins A and K more efficiently. A handful of spinach in your lunch salad might be one of the easiest and smartest ways to protect your bones, boost your energy, and nourish your skin. We've covered 4 of the 8 power-packed foods your body craves after 50, but we're only halfway there. Coming up next, a golden spice that fights inflammation at the genetic level, and the one pantry item that may be aging's most affordable secret weapon. Stick around, you won't want to miss number 7. If you're enjoying this so far, give us a like or hit subscribe to support this channel and your health journey. 5. Turmeric, DNA shield. Memory support. Let's talk about turmeric, the golden spice with ancient roots and cutting-edge relevance. Inside this vibrant yellow powder lies a compound called curcumin, and its benefits go way beyond flavoring your curry. Curcumin is a powerful anti-inflammatory and antioxidant, and it's especially important for aging bodies. Why? Because the same low-grade inflammation that leads to joint pain also contributes to memory decline, skin aging, and even cellular damage at the DNA level. Curcumin works by blocking a master switch in the body's inflammation pathway, the NF-κB pathway. When this pathway is chronically active, it accelerates aging in tissues like your joint, skin, and brain. But curcumin helps quiet that signal, which means less wear and tear on your cells over time. Even more exciting, it can boost levels of something called BDNF, brain-derived neurotrophic factor, which helps protect neurons and support memory, focus, and mood. That's especially vital for anyone concerned about Alzheimer's or brain fog after 50. But there's a catch: curcumin on its own doesn't absorb well. The trick: pair it with black pepper, which contains piperine, a compound that can increase curcumin absorption by up to 2,000%. That's why Golden Milk, a warm drink made with turmeric, black pepper, and healthy fat like coconut milk, has become such a hit in wellness circles. You can also add turmeric to soup, stews, or roasted vegetables, or take it as a supplement if you prefer a more consistent dose. Just remember to look for one with piperine included. If you're looking to protect your memory, ease inflammation, and even defend your DNA, turmeric might be the golden key you didn't know you needed. 6. Nuts and seeds, skin softener, plus brain guard. Next on the list, nuts and seeds, tiny nutritional powerhouses that pack a big anti-aging punch. Whether it's almonds, walnuts, chia, or flax seeds, these little bites are loaded with healthy fats, plant-based protein, antioxidants, and essential minerals, all the things your body craves as you age. One of the most valuable nutrients in these foods is ALA, or alpha-linolenic acid, a plant-based omega-3 fatty acid that helps support brain function and keep cell membranes strong and supple. Although your body doesn't convert ALA into EPA and DHA very efficiently, it still provides anti-inflammatory benefits and works synergistically with other omega-3 sources. Alongside that, nuts like almonds and seeds like sunflower and pumpkin are rich in vitamin E, an antioxidant that's been shown to protect skin cells from UV damage and maintain elasticity, meaning softer, more resilient skin. But here's the lesser-known benefit: polyphenols in nuts and seeds support your gut and DNA health, helping stabilize mood, support memory, and reduce long-term disease risk. They're also full of fiber, which supports your gut microbiome, balances blood sugar, and keeps inflammation in check from the inside out. The sweet spot: about one small handful per day, roughly 1 ounce. Choose raw or dry roasted unsalted versions to avoid unnecessary sodium or additives. And don't be afraid to mix it up. Each variety offers different micronutrients. So whether it's a topping for your salad, a mid-afternoon snack, or part of your breakfast bowl, nuts and seeds are like nature's multivitamin for your skin, brain, and metabolism. 7. Green tea, wrinkle reducer, plus mental clarity enhancer. All right, this next one might already be in your kitchen, and if it's not, it absolutely should be green tea. More than just a soothing beverage, green tea is one of the most antioxidant-rich drinks on the planet. Its secret weapon, a compound called EGCG, short for epigallocatechin gallate. This powerhouse nutrient helps protect your skin, enhance memory, and reduce inflammation from the inside out. EGCG works as a potent free radical scavenger, targeting oxidative stress, the very process that leads to wrinkles, dull skin, and cognitive decline. It also inhibits enzymes that break down collagen and elastin, which means fewer fine lines and firmer, more youthful skin over time. But it doesn't stop there. EGCG is also neuroprotective. It crosses the blood-brain barrier and helps reduce the buildup of beta-amyloid plaques, one of the hallmarks of Alzheimer's disease. And green tea doesn't just help your brain, it also supports gut health, which influences everything from skin clarity to immune function. Its polyphenols encourage the growth of beneficial gut bacteria, giving you another layer of protection against aging at the cellular level. To maximize the benefits, aim for 2 to 4 cups per day. Brew it for 2 to 3 minutes and try not to add milk or sugar. These can interfere with antioxidant absorption. Want to add a touch of sweetness? Try a slice of lemon or a sprinkle of cinnamon. Whether you're sipping it warm in the morning or iced in the afternoon, green tea is a simple, powerful ritual for graceful aging, and it might be the easiest beauty habit you'll ever keep. 8. Cottage cheese, muscle and bone maintainer. And finally, let's wrap up our list with one of the most underrated foods on this journey: cottage cheese. Often overlooked, this humble dairy product is a protein-packed, bone-strengthening, brain-supporting superstar, especially important for women over 50. Cottage cheese is rich in casein and weighs two high-quality proteins that help preserve lean muscle mass. This is critical because after 50, most women begin to lose muscle unless they're actively working to maintain it. Casein in particular is a slow-digesting protein, which means it provides your body with a steady stream of amino acids, helping you stay in positive nitrogen balance even overnight or between meals. But that's not all. Cottage cheese also delivers calcium and vitamin D, two key nutrients for bone health and osteoporosis prevention. It's also a great source of vitamin B12 for brain function and selenium, which supports antioxidant defense systems in the body. To make it even more powerful, pair your cottage cheese with fiber-rich fruits or seeds like berries, flax, or chia to stabilize blood sugar and enhance the nutrient synergy. Go for low-sodium 2% fat versions to balance flavor protein and healthy fat intake. Want a satisfying snack that fuels your muscles, protects your bones, and keeps your metabolism humming? Cottage cheese might be your new secret weapon. Now, before we wrap up, I want to share a bonus tip, a nutrient that isn't exactly a food, but could be a game changer in your anti-aging toolkit. It's called shilajit, an ancient mineral resin used for centuries in Ayurvedic medicine and now getting the attention it deserves from modern science. What makes shilajit so special? It's incredibly rich in fulvic acid, a compound that helps your mitochondria. The energy factories inside your cells work more efficiently. And as we age, our mitochondria naturally slow down, leading to lower energy, slower recovery, and even cognitive fatigue. Shilajit has been shown to enhance energy production, protect collagen, and improve brain clarity. Some studies even suggest it may help defend against memory loss and support healthy aging on a cellular level. It's not for everyone, but for those looking to go one level deeper in their wellness journey, it might be worth exploring. Curious? We've included a link in the description to a trusted purified source of shilajit tested for quality and free of heavy metals. Let's bring it all together. Yes, aging is inevitable, but the way you age, that's something you influence starting with your next meal. Whether it's adding a handful of berries to your breakfast, swapping your afternoon coffee for green tea, or sprinkling turmeric into your dinner, each small choice adds up. These aren't radical overhauls. They're steady, doable actions that help you age with strength, clarity, and grace. And remember, consistency is more powerful than perfection. Don't underestimate the compounding effect of daily nutrition. Your skin, your joints, your brain will thank you in the years to come. If today's episode gave you a new insight, inspired a change, or even just made you feel more hopeful, please take a second to share this video with a friend and subscribe to stay connected. Until then, be well, stay curious, and remember, your best health is still ahead of you.